Welcome to 616 Rhodes Avenue. I'm going to show you a very different house today that's on the market. Is it a condo or is it a house? Condo house, house condo. We don't know, but we're going to find out. Come with me. Well, welcome to the main floor of this incredible space. This house was designed as a smart house. Extremely clean, neat, kind of Scandi lines everywhere, all stainless steel, wood, everything built in extra fans, built-in appliances, and in fact, come have a look at this. This is the most incredible built-in Miele coffee maker. Would you like one? So now you've seen the kitchen, come on through to the living dining room. Beautiful, nice, open. Philip, what are you, just sitting having a coffee?
Just relaxing with my Americano.
Oh, Philip's just in here having an Americano. Can you imagine? Beautiful open space, Sonos in every room of the place.
Hi, let me show you the main floor bedroom. Or it could be an office, or a den, whatever you like, through these custom sliders.
Well, the second floor is a master suite. This is designed for somebody who wants to have an entire floor just to do whatever they want in. Beautiful, lofty, big bedroom with light galore. Huge master closet with laundry down to the side. In fact, you will love this space. Look at all the stuff. Philip's in there. Hi, Philip. What, are you doing the laundry? Philip's doing the laundry.
Let me show you the master bath. Spa-like bath. Beautiful. Oh, it's occupied.
Oh, I thought I was alone.
Never mind her. We have a separate, beautiful soaker tub, standalone shower, jets, massager, rain head shower. It does more than I even know. It does anything you want it to do. But come on in. Brand new vanity with a customizable LED mirror. Fantastic. White, bright, clean, very spa-like. And Sonos built in as well.
Hey, here we are in the basement, which is small but very functional and used well space. You could have a little desk area down here if you like, if you need to do some work. There's a great brand new two-piece, very functional, beautiful bathroom. And in here, it's another bedroom, in case you need another bedroom. Oh, Philip, are you reading something? Oh, the history of love. Sure, Philip, read the history of love. Keep trying to figure it out. So this is the backyard. And so now we see, as we're out here, why this is not a condo, but it is a house. This is 110 feet long. It's a nice big space. You can hang out in the backyard in many different places, have a barbecue, sit here, have a meal. My goodness, you could do rolling. You could do some kind of yoga rolling baccarat bocce ball. You could do anything you want back here. I'm so glad you guys were on this little tour with us today.
Thanks for coming.
616 Rhodes. We love this neighborhood, just close to the Danforth and the subway. Monarch Park. You can walk your dog. You can just do cartwheels.
Great neighborhood.
Great neighborhood. Earl Hague, great school district. Everybody wants their kids in there. Don't you even pretend you don't. And
Come on down, come see it.
Yeah.
It's not gonna last long.
no, I don't think so. I think 6 days. What do you say?
Yep, within a week.
Maybe
We're
five.
done.
Maybe 5 days. Maybe four and a half.